Accidentally created John Doe and J Doe as separate customers? Duplicates clutter your lists and skew reports. Here's the workaround to merge them. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. QuickBooks Online doesn't have a merge button. You must edit one record to match the other exactly. Go to the customers list and open the duplicate you don't want to keep. Change its name to match the name of the record you do want to keep, letter for letter. When you save, QuickBooks will prompt, "This name is already in use. Merge." Click Yes. My crucial pro tip: do this before entering new transactions. Clean up duplicates at the start of a cleanup session. Merging combines all historical invoices and payments, giving you one clean customer record with complete history. Keep your customer list professional and your reporting accurate. How do duplicates usually sneak into your system? For more data hygiene guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.